Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Mohammed. In this unit we'll try to cover the course content, introduction to manufacturing one. We'll try to start today. The next chapter is basic casting process. We'll try to discuss about the basic fundamental knowledge about casting process. Chapter 3 could be design of cast, which is design of product, and we'll try to assess the defect during the casting process and some remedial activities. Chapters 4 could be the bird formation process. So in the manufacturing process, there are a lot of secondary manufacturing process, which include rolling, forging, extrusion, drawing, and miscellaneous forming process. We'll try to add some additional of manufacturing process. So chapter 5 could be sheet metal forming and shearing. How can we produce some product from sheet metal? Then we'll try to see how cascade or how can we conduct shearing. Then fabrication of plastic, ceramic, and composite could be chapter 6. To see, so the last chapter could be powder metallurgy. There could be the manufacturing process of powder, how can we mix, blend, and compacting and sintering. Then design considerations in powder metallurgy could be the content of manufacturing engineering 1. So I'm Ahmed Mohammed. I'm Master of Science in Manufacturing Engineering, lecturer and certified master trainer in Jimma University. So here is the chapter 1, which is introduction to manufacturing. So let us start our discussion by question. So what is manufacturing? So manufacturing is derived from the Latin words, which is the manus and factus, which means hand and make. So the combination of means made by hand. So manufacturing can be also defined based on the technological, economical, and industrial point of view rather than the historical background. So technologically, manufacturing is the application of physical and chemical process to alter the geometry, properties, and the appearance of the given starting material to make parts or product. So when we say manufacturing, this is the process of altering or define the property, alter the geometry, or define the property or the appearance of what we want to produce. So the process to accomplish manufacturing involves combination of machinery, tools, power, and labor. So the process is not only by itself, but we should have to combine or involve some machineries, tools, power, and labor can be involved. So as you have seen in the figure, we have the starting material, which is the given or the input material, which is the input material. So we have somehow machinery that involve to produce the intended product design, and we'll try to use some tools. It could be single point cutting tool or drilling or any means. Then we'll try to use power to rotate or to push or to peel the given material. Then we can manipulate the machine by labor. In any means, this labor might not be eliminated. We can now because of the technology, we can reduce the involvement of labor in the manufacturing process, but cannot be eliminated. So because of the input material or the starting material, we have the processed part, which is the intended product, and there could be also some scrap that could be used as waste. So this is technologically how can we define the manufacturing. Economically, manufacturing is the transformation of materials into items of greater value by means of one or more processing and assembly operation. So we can consider economically what could be going on in the manufacturing process. So we can add some value to reduce or to add more value. So it is a transformation of materials into greater value, which is we have the starting material and the processed part. So to make it the given material more value, we can process the material by using the manufacturing process. So to add some value. So the output could be more value than the starting material or the input material. So to take economically, we can define the transformation of materials into greater value, which is intended to produce and also to give some application. So industry's point of view, an integrated combination of process, machine system, people, organization structure, information flow, control systems, and computers whose purpose is to achieve economic product, manufacture internationally, competitive performance. So rather than the economy or the technological aspect, we can use somehow some combination of process, which is the system, the machinery system, and people organ structure similar. So we have similar the raw materials, then we can consider how can you combine those machinery, tool, power, and labor to produce the product and to having some profit. So we have similar process, but we can consider economically, we can consider technologically, we can consider industry's point of view. So in this regard, we can define manufacturing as per the demand or the process. So the value addition by manufacturing, which is, this is the bolt. So we have some inputs that could be ingot or similar raw materials. Then we can use to produce this bolt. We have different manufacturing process. If we use the lathe machine and we have some bar material, we can produce such like structure by using the process of turning process. So we will have the final product could be this one, which is the white one, which is this one, the unsection part, which is the unslash part. So this could be the final product. So the process is there. So general manufacturing defined that the value addition process by which raw materials of low utility and value due to its inadequate material properties and poor or irregular size, shape, and finish are converted into high utility and valued product with definite dimensions, forms, and finish imparting some functional ability. So we have early in the similar, which is the ingot or bar material. Then we need some bolt activity, which is the bolt function. So we need to convert the raw material into functional material. This is the process of manufacturing